Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to crochet this really simple and easy hat. For this project, you can use any types of yarn and any hook size. I'm using acrylic, a bulky yarn. Each one of this is about 100 grams and I only used one. This is a number 5 category yarn and the recommended hook size is 6.5 millimeter, but I'm going to use a 10 millimeter hook, a pair of scissors, yarn needle, and a pom-pom. To begin the pattern, make a slip knot. Insert the hook and make a chain that's long enough to go around your head. It can be in any number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm making 47 chains. So you want the chain to be at least 2 inches smaller than the head size. My head size is 22 inches. And my chain measures at 20 inches. We are going to form a ring by slip stitch into the end of the first chain. Make sure the chain is not twisted. On the first chain, turn to the back and slip stitch into the back of the chain where the little bump is. One chain to begin. Single crochet into the same chain. Insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Again, single crochet into the next chain. Single crochet into the next chain. And try to keep your stitches loose. And the reason that I'm single crochet into the back of the chain is trying to have a nice finishing edge. On this round, single crochet into every chain and I'll meet you on the next round. To begin round 2, slip stitch into the first stitch. One chain, and I like to pull this a little bit tighter. And we normally insert into this space. But for this particular pattern, we are going to insert the hook into the center of these 2 loops. And make sure the hook is under the horizontal bar from behind. That's this one. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Again, insert into the center of these 2 loops and under the horizontal bar from behind. And finish it like a single crochet. Again, into the next stitch. And remember to keep your stitches loose, otherwise it will be very difficult to work with. So repeat this all the way around. To begin the next round, slip stitch into the first stitch. One chain. This is the repeat of the last round. Place a single crochet in between these 2 loops. and continue to repeat this for as many times as needed for the size you are making. On this round, you can see it better that the weeds are on top of each other. I stop when the hat measures at almost 9 inches tall. You can make it taller if you like. After you join the round, leave a long tail and cut yarn. With a yarn needle, we're going to close the opening. I'm inserting my needle into every other stitch all the way around. Once it's done, pull tight and stitch the top a couple more times to make sure it's tightened. To add the pom-pom, I have already stitched the button inside the hat. Bring the yarn through the elastic and bring the pom-pom through the center of the hat. Then have the elastic go over the button and the hat is complete. I hope you liked today's tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!